In this module, you will learn specific terminology associated with rearing market hogs, typical to the United States. You will identify the different stages of the market hog's life cycle in relation to swine production practices, and you will understand the key features that are important to each stage of the market hog's life cycle. Baby pigs are born in litters of 12 or more, and they weigh about 3 pounds at birth. They will grow to be around 270 pounds in less than 6 months. Through this time, they will move through a series of specialized housing and receive specialized diets to meet their ever-changing environmental and nutritional needs. Piglets will stay with their mother and nurse for about 21 days. They feed once per hour at the same spot on the udder through the entire time that they are nursing. This teat order is established at birth and is maintained through weaning. Weaning occurs at around 21 days of age, and this is where they are separated from their mother and move on to a nursery. At this time that they move on, piglets weigh around 15 pounds. So they are gaining about half a pound per day during this time. The transition to a new environment and from milk to solid feed can be stressful for piglets, and everything is done to mitigate that stress. Piglets will stay in the nursery for about 7 to 8 weeks, and then they will move to a new site known as a finisher at around 45 pounds in weight. In the finisher, they will grow to around 270 pounds prior to being sent to slaughter. 3-site production, farrowing, nursery, and finisher, is designed to match the needs of the pigs within that site. So housing and nutrition will meet the ever-changing needs of the animal. As the pigs grow, their space requirements will be increased by a factor of 4, and temperature requirements decrease by about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Swine diets are composed of corn as a source of energy and soybean meal as a source of protein. As the animal grows, its requirements for protein decrease and the ratio of corn to soybean meal is changed.